Hello, friends, family, strangers. I'm Lauren Boucher, and today I am making a quiche. Not sure if you guys know how to make a quiche, but it's not that hard, and I'm gonna do a crustless quiche, so I think it's more like a frittata. And I'm gonna do a ham and cheese and broccoli and onion quiche. So those are some of the ingredients: the butter and the honey to caramelize onions, and then I got some Havarti cheese, it was on sale, some oat milk to make it a little creamy, eggs, yeah, salt and pepper. And that's really it. It's a really simple recipe, and this one I'm doing off the top of my head. I'm not even sure how long it cooks for, but we're gonna wing it. So first we are going to chop the onions. I already have some chopped. Ooh! These are stinky onions. Honestly, I was crying so bad last night, so I'm gonna get some sunglasses and chop the rest of this onion. Never actually knew when these little glasses would come in handy. Oh, you flip them sideways. But now they're nice and big. They're nice and bright. They don't really block any of the sun. So let's see if they help me not cry today in front of all of you. It's coming through a little bit, but honestly, not bad at all. It's not that small. I'll just make it a little smaller. Oh, it's starting to come through the glasses. I don't know why some onions are so potent and others are really not as potent. I just don't know. Well. Alrighty. Now I look at it, kind of looks like a lot. Alright. I'm not going to use all these, turns out. Oh. I'll use diced onions another day. Okay, this is probably about half an onion. So follow me to the stove and I'm going to caramelize them up real quick. Thank you. The onions are caramelized, and now your kitchen is going to smell absolutely delicious. Okay, so next I'm just gonna cut this broccoli. How I like to cut the broccoli is just cut the heads, because I like little pieces of broccoli. You don't want big pieces, so I just kind of cut the tips. And I like a little bit of stem personally, so can cut down to the stem. So this is kind of a lot of broccoli, but that's what makes it healthy. I don't know. So look at this little nifty thing. It's a little thing. Throw that over there, and then we'll cut the cheese. Oh, cut the cheese. That's a good one. Let's see. I always forget what cheeses taste like. So taste test. Ooh, this is a really soft cheese. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of string cheese. I thought that was mozzarella though. It's delicious. I'm just gonna dice it. You could use a shredder, but I don't know. I'm not going to. So I'm gonna use about half of this. So this was 6 ounces. So I'm gonna use about 3 ounces. Pretty good. Do some extra little chops. Okay. Lastly, I am going to cut the ham. So this is uncured, raised outdoors, pasture raised, fully cooked and ready to eat. So we get a meat delivery from Walden Meat Company, and it's basically, yeah, raised outdoors, pasture raised. It's grass-fed, humanely killed meat. So it makes us feel better about ourselves. I think it's, I don't know, it's us doing our part while still eating meat. So all I gotta do is I just have to cube this up. Oh my gosh, it smells so smoky. This smells unbelievable. You wouldn't believe how smoky this smells. It smells so good. So I'm gonna cube it, and I am gonna take some of the fat off. Everything is chopped, so I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. Next, I'm going to just put butter on the pie dish. Basically, this is for flavor. This is so it doesn't stick. I don't think you actually need to do this, but just in case I'm doing it, and also because I think it will add some nice creamy flavor. So there that is. Okay, I'm going to crack 4 eggs, see how it looks, and then maybe 5. Definitely 4 eggs are going into this. I'm so bad at cracking eggs. Look at that one. That was horrible. Oh, shoot. Ooh. 4 definitely does not look like enough, so I'm definitely doing 5. So now I'm just gonna whisk the eggs, make them fluffy. Is that another shell? Oh my goodness. Whew. Just got a whiff of onions or something. Still doesn't look like enough eggs. I'm doing 6. Oh, jeez. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble with these eggs today. 6 eggs seems about right. Now we add in the oat milk. November. This lasts long. Not even sure how much. Maybe that was 2 or 3 tablespoons. Let's add in a little bit more. Alrighty. Now add in all the ingredients. We can't forget the caramelized onions. They look so good. I think there's gonna be enough salt from the ham, so I'm only gonna put in some pepper. Gosh, look how freaking good this looks. Mix it all in, try to get an even distribution of the cheese and the veg and the ham and the cheese. I thought I cut the ham up small, but alright, this looks pretty good. This looks good to me. This looks absolutely marvelous. I am going to put it in for, I'm gonna say 30 minutes. I'm pretty sure baking eggs takes a long time. So I'm gonna put it in for 30, check on it, and I'll let you know after how long it actually took. The quiche is done. So it did take about 40 minutes, but it looks and smells so freaking good. Shoot. Okay, I'm gonna throw it back in for another 10 minutes, but I'm just gonna eat this because it's fine. You guys have seen me eat batter, so you know I eat raw eggs. Yeah, that's a... I don't know if that's cheese or not. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this cheese. Look at that. Make sure you blow on it first. That was a ham cheese broccoli bite, and it tasted like heaven. This is so good. If you don't make quiches, you gotta start. Quiches are so good and so easy. And if you did want to make a crust, it's so easy. I forget, but it's like flour and butter, and it's so simple. But yeah, go make a quiche. Doesn't take too long. It's like, it just has to bake for 40 minutes. So I did read a recipe, and you are supposed to add way more milk. It's like half and half. So I should have added more milk. I might add a little salt. I thought the ham would add enough salt. It's just a tiny bit more flavor. But other than that, the ham, cheese, onion, broccoli combo is a winner. Happy fall! This is my morning kombucha.